Before we begin, may I ask you a small favor? If our lessons help you, please subscribe to the channel right now. Your support helps other English learners find us, and it truly means a lot to us. Thank you. Let's start. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite English channel. Today's lesson is important because many English learners cannot talk clearly about their daily routine. When someone asks, "What do you do every day?" many beginners feel stuck. In this lesson, you will learn simple sentences that you can repeat, remember, and adapt to your own life. You can change the times, the actions, or the details to fit your personal routine. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Let's begin.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 6. I wake up at 6.
You can change the time. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7.
I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day.
I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm.
I sit up slowly. I sit up slowly.
I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms.
I stand up. I stand up.
I open the curtains. I open the curtains.
I make my bed. I make my bed.
I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Repeat after me. I take a shower. I take a shower.
I dry my hair. I dry my hair.
I comb my hair.
I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes.
I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day.
I check myself in the mirror. I check myself in the mirror.
Repeat after me. I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen.
I make my breakfast. I make my breakfast.
You can change the food. I cook eggs. I cook eggs.
Or, I make oatmeal. I make oatmeal.
I cut some fruit. I cut some fruit.
I pour a cup of coffee. I pour a cup of coffee.
I enjoy my breakfast. I enjoy my breakfast.
I clean the table. I clean the table.
I wash the dishes.
I check my phone. I check my phone.
I read my messages.
I look at my schedule.
I plan my morning.
I plan my morning.
Repeat after me. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
I grab my bag. I grab my bag.
I leave my home. I leave my home.
I walk down the street. I walk down the street.
I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
I get on the bus.
I sit near the window. I sit near the window.
I listen to music.
I think about my day. I arrive at work.
I say good morning to my coworkers.
I sit at my desk.
I turn on my computer.
I start my tasks.
I answer emails.
I join a meeting.
I take notes.
I finish my morning tasks.
Repeat after me. I take a break. I walk around the office.
I stretch my legs.
I get some fresh air.
I drink a cup of water.
I return to my desk.
Repeat after me. I eat lunch at noon.
I order something simple.
I sit with my coworkers.
I enjoy my meal.
I get back to work.
I check my afternoon tasks.
I focus on my work.
I finish my assignments.
I prepare for tomorrow.
I leave the office. Repeat after me. I walk home slowly.
I stop at the store. I buy some food. I carry my bags home.
I put everything away.
I rest for a moment.
I change my clothes.
I cook my dinner.
I set the table.
I eat my dinner.
I wash the dishes.
I clean the kitchen.
Repeat after me. I relax on the sofa.
I watch a show.
I talk to my family.
I read a book.
I study English for a few minutes.
I take a warm shower.
I brush my teeth again.
I get ready for bed.
I go to bed at 10.
Now it's your turn. Say one sentence about your daily routine.
You can change the time, the action, or the details.
Think of one sentence.
Say your sentence out loud.
Now write it in the comments. We will help you improve it.
Thank you. Please practice with us today. Please remember to subscribe, comment, share, and like our videos for more simple English lessons every week.
If you want extra help, you can join English courses on Udemy, which are really great. The link is in the channel banner and video description.
And if you would like to support our work, you can visit our page on Buy Me a Coffee and donate to us directly. The link is also in the channel banner and video description. Keep practicing every day. You're doing a great job. We will see you soon. Bye, friends.